Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube video. So in this video, we are going to see how to find the profit maximizing price and output in perfect competition and in monopoly. Okay, so perfect competition and monopoly are two types of are one of the types of markets, and there is few conditions for that, and we are not going to see what is perfect competition and what is monopoly. If possible, we will cover that in a different video. So in this video, we are going to see just the sums and the problems associated with this. Okay. So before going to this, there will be few things that you have to know. So the first one is equating conditions. Okay. See this right side box, that is equating conditions to find the profit maximizing price and output. Okay. So for perfect competition, we have to equate MC, that is marginal cost, with the average revenue or price. Okay. So in perfect competition, you have to remember only one thing, that is MC is equal to AR. Okay. In monopoly, you have to remember MC is equal to MR. Okay. So only if you remember these two things, that's all. There is nothing you have to remember or memory or you have to memorize. We can easily solve this question. Okay. So again, I'm saying perfect competition MC is equal to AR. In monopoly, MC is equal to MR. Okay. So in monopoly, you can see three M's will be there. M like an M in monopoly, MC and MR. Okay. So monopoly means there will be three M's. In perfect competition, MC is equal to AR. Okay. And in the left side box, you can see few formulas or few hints for you. So that is the price, right? For a given question, the price is always written as P and the quantity is written in Q. Okay. Now TR means total revenue. Total revenue is nothing but price into quantity. Okay. This we all know, right? Total revenue. So what is the total revenue generated? That is equal to price into number of quantity. Okay. Then average revenue means that is total revenue divided by quantity. Okay. See, average revenue and the price will always be same because what is there in total revenue? P into Q. If you divide PQ by Q, you will be left only with P. Okay. That's what I am trying to say. Okay. Total revenue is price into quantity. Average revenue means total revenue divided by quantity. Next one, marginal revenue. Okay, marginal revenue means that is change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. Okay, so here we have to take differentiation. Okay, like I will give some example for this. Don't worry what is differentiation if you don't know that. There is only one simple thing you have to remember. That's all. Okay, differentiation is a very big concept. In that we will be remembering only one small concept. Okay, then MC is nothing but marginal cost. Marginal cost means change in total cost divided by change in quantity. That means differentiating cost with respect to quantity. Okay. This MC and MR, I will tell you what is this differentiation. Okay. Then total cost. Total cost is equal to marginal cost into quantity. Okay. Remember that. Then profit. Profit is total revenue minus total cost. Okay. We all know that profit means revenue minus the cost associated with it. Okay. So just have a look on all those hints alone. Price and quantity will be represented by P and Q. Total revenue means price into quantity. Average revenue means total revenue by quantity, which is same as the price. Then for marginal revenue and marginal cost, we will be differentiate. For MR means we have to differentiate total revenue. For MC means we have to differentiate total cost. Okay. Then total cost is equal to MC into Q. Profit is total revenue minus total cost. Okay. See, I will tell this differentiation once. For example, see here in this question itself, we will see here what I have given total revenue and total cost I have given. We want the profit maximizing price and output for this question. Okay, so for perfect competition, what is the condition? Equating conditions. Okay, you write here. Perfect. Perfect competition means MC is equal to average revenue. Okay, so we have to equate these two things. What is MC? MC is equal to like differentiation of total cost with respect to quantity, right? Then what is average revenue? Average revenue is nothing but total revenue divided by quantity. Very simple. Okay. Now, first we will find what is the marginal cost. So, MC is equal to what? I told differentiation of total cost with respect to quantity. So, what is the total cost? 400 plus 8q square. Okay. Now, this condition, okay, for example, x power n. Okay. So, if you want to differentiate x power n means, so it will be n x power n minus 1. Okay. This will be the answer. Okay. For example, what I am telling, if I want to differentiate q square means, it will be 2q power 1. Okay. If I want to differentiate q power 5 means, it will be 5q power 4. Okay. If I want to differentiate 10q square means, it will be 10 into 2q power 1. That is 20q. Okay. So you are getting right how to differentiate. Only remember this one alone. Okay. So for this whole, in this whole chapter, we will be using only this concept only. In differentiation, we will be using only this concept. There is no need for any other concepts in differentiation. Okay. If you differentiate x power n means, it will be n into x power n minus 1. If you want to differentiate q square, it is 2q. Then differentiation of q power 5, it is 5q power 4. If you the differentiation of 10q square means, it will be that the power, right? The power will come in the before. Okay. So 10 into 2 q power, it will be n minus 1. That is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 20 q1, q power 1. Okay. That's what I am trying to say. So here, like differentiation of a constant. Differentiation of a constant will be equal to 0. Okay. Now, here we have the total cost. Okay. So, total cost is 400 plus 8q square. So, what will be the marginal cost? So, I want to differentiate. So, if I differentiate 400, I will get 0 because 400 is a constant. Differentiation of 8q square will be 16q. Okay. Very simple. Are you getting or not? See, marginal cost is equal to 16q. Average revenue. Oh, now we found MC. Let's find AR. Average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by quantity. What is total revenue? 480q minus 8q square divided by q. Kindly adjust my handwriting. Okay. So if you take in the numerator, if you take q outside, what it will be? 480 minus 8q divided by q. So q will get cancelled. So average revenue is equal to 480 minus 8q. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to equate this average revenue and marginal cost. Okay. So for perfect competition, MC is equal to AR. So what is the value for MC? 16q. What is the value for AR? 480 minus 8q. 480 minus 8q. So it will go this side, right? So 16q plus 8q is equal to 480. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 24q is equal to 480. Q is equal to 480 by 24. So Q is equal to 20. Okay. So we found the quantity. Now we have to find the price. So substitute the value. No. What is this quantity we have found? We want to find the price. In perfect competition, I already told, right? See, in perfect competition, MC is equal to AR is equal to price. So just equate these two things. AR is equal to price. So what is the value for AR? AR is 480 minus 8Q. That is equal to P. So substitute the value for Q. 480 minus 8 into 20 is equal to P. So 480 minus 8 to 16, 160 is equal to price. So price is equal to 320. Okay, that's all. Now we have to find the profit. Okay, so profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. So total revenue, how we will calculate? Price into quantity, right? Minus total cost is MC into Q. Okay, so price into quantity means 320 into 20 minus what is the value for marginal cost? MC is 16Q. That means 16 into 20. That is 320, right? So it will be 320 minus, multiplied by 20. See, 320 into 320. So it will be 0, right? So profit is equal to 0. Okay. That's all. This is what perfect competition. Okay. Now we will see how to solve a question in monopoly. So here what I have given. So in monopoly, what we will be equating? We will be equating MC is equal to MR. Okay. Monopoly, MC is equal to MR. Okay. So in this question, had we find MC, MR we didn't find. Okay. For this question, I will solve for monopoly conditions. Okay. So what is MC? So MC we already found it is 16Q. Okay. Next one. What is MR? MR is I have to differentiate total revenue with respect to quantity. So what is total revenue? 480Q minus 8Q square. 480Q minus 8Q square. So I have to differentiate it. So if I differentiate, I will get 480 minus 8 to 16Q, right? So MR is equal to 480 minus 16Q. So now we will equate MC and MR. 16Q is equal to 480 minus 16Q. 16 plus 16, 32. Q is equal to 480. Q is equal to 480 divided by 32. So it will be 8 4 32. It will be 120. 1 8 are 8. 1 15. So Q is equal to 15. Okay. Now we have to find the price. How we will find the price? Total revenue is with the total revenue we can find the price. Total revenue means price into quantity. PQ is equal to with that I can find the price. See what just total revenue is equal to PQ. What is the total revenue for this question? 480Q minus 8Q square, that is equal to PQ. So it will be 480 into 15 minus 8 into 15 square, it is equal to P into 15. Okay, 480 into 15. I use calculator. 480 into 15, that is 7200 minus 15 15 15 into 15 into 8 1800, that is equal to 15 P. If we subtract this with the 7200 minus 1800, 5400 is equal to 15 P. So price will be equal to 5400 by 15, it is 360. Okay. If the same question is asked for monopoly condition, then the price is 360, quantity is 15. Okay. Now we can find the profit also. Profit means total revenue, that is PQ minus marginal cost into quantity. So MC will be equal to 6400. This will be 15 into 360. Okay, so once I'll solve also. Profit is equal to PQ minus MC into Q. That is price into quantity. 360 into 15, 5400 minus 32 into 2 on the 6400. Okay, so it is minus 1000. Actually, in monopoly conditions, the profit will never be negative. The given question is for perfect competition. I took it for monopoly, right? That's why it is coming is negative. But for monopoly, it will be always positive only. Okay. So we will solve this question. Just a minute. Okay. So here what they have given, same. So they have given the price P is equal to 150 minus 6Q and marginal cost is equal to 30. Okay. So in perfect competition, MC is equal to AR is equal to P. So just equate MC and price. So 30 is equal to 150 minus 6Q. So 6Q is equal to 120. Q is equal to 20. What will be the price? They given the price equation is 150 minus 6Q. That is 150 minus 6 into 20. 150 minus 120. So price is equal to 30. Okay. What will be the profit? Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Okay. Total revenue means price into quantity minus total cost is nothing but marginal cost into quantity. Okay. PQ is 30 into 20 minus what is marginal cost? MC is 30, Q is 20. So it is 0. Okay. In perfect competition, the profit is 0. Then for same question, we have to find in monopoly. So price is equal to 150 minus 6Q. 150 minus 6Q, marginal cost is equal to 30. For monopoly, MC is equal to MR. Okay, MR is equal to what? We have MC. MR is equal to differentiation of total revenue with respect to quantity. Total revenue is equal to what? P into Q. Okay, so first we have to find total revenue. Price is 150 minus 6Q multiplied by quantity. So total revenue is equal to 150Q minus 6Q square. Now what is the marginal revenue? MR is equal to differentiation of total revenue with respect to quantity. That is 150Q minus 6Q square. I have to differentiate it. Okay. So I will get 150 minus 12Q. Okay. Are you getting or not? MR. This 150Q, this Q power 1 means 1 into 150, it is 150 only. Q power 1, like it will be 1 minus 1 minus 1, it will become 0. Anything power 0 is 1 only. So this Q will get cancelled. 6Q square means 6 into 2, 12, 12Q. Now I have to equate MC is equal to MR. MC means 30 is equal to 150 minus 12Q. So 12Q is equal to 120. Q is equal to 10. Okay. I have to find the price. Price is equal to what? 150 minus 6Q. 150 minus 60. So price is equal to 90. Now I want to find the profit. Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. So total revenue we found PQ. Total cost is MC into Q. So total cost will be 90 into 10 minus marginal cost of 30 into 10. So it will be 900 minus 300. It is 600. Okay. See, in perfect competition, sorry, in monopoly, the profit will always be more, or at least it will be positive. It will never be zero or negative. Okay. Okay, that's all, guys. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.